Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you viewers? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग सब घर से खुश होंगे. आई होप आप लोग सब के लिए आज की इस वीडियो में न्यू कैंडल लाइट आइडिया शेयर किए जा रहे हैं. कैंडल डेकोरेशन आइडियाज़ हैं. सो बहुत ही सीनो डिफरेंट कलेक्शन है. सो आई होप कि आपको पसंद आएंगे. अगर आप लोग ने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. मेरे सबसे बेस्ट एंड ब्यूटीफुल स्टाइल आइडियाज़ को देखें. Very amazing and different stylish ideas sharing this my channel, so hope you like it. And different unique new design and ideas. Watch is all the my unique channel. And my dear friends, and beautiful candlelight decorations ideas are very gorgeous and pretty. Watch is all my channel and ideas. And bestly friends, and my dear friends, and beautiful and unique new designs and ideas, and different glass candle flowers decoration ideas are bestly. So hope you will like it. And I can share with you amazing and beautiful styling and different collections is on my channel diagram video. And my dear friends, all unique new designs, new styles and different ideas of bestly. Watch it all the my unique channel. All different candlelight decorations ideas are very prettiest. Watch us all the unique and different collections. So my dear friends, keep watch the styles and different ideas of bestly. And my dear friends, I can share with you amazing and new style ideas. And my dear friends, and different style, different flower, different ideas for decorations, ideas for home, our room decorating ideas, wedding room decorating ideas, tables, wedding tables decorating ideas are very interested or pretty. So keep watching all the unique and different collections. So friends, hope you will like and enjoy my unique collections. And my dear friends, these stylish are very interested or pretty. All styles are unique, new, and designs are very different. Watch it all in my unique channel. And my dear friends, I can share it with you amazing and different styles. So keep watching all the unique and different collections. Hope you will like and different styles and ideas of bestly. Watch is all my channels. Let's see my different collection ideas of bestly. Take care friends.